Hi guys, this is my latest uploaded video of 8 June 2020. In this video I will tell you 3 things about a table tennis robot. How is it made, why is it made, what is the main purpose of it. This is made of a bucket, pipe, couple of joints, DC 12 volt DC motor, gear motor, DC switch, DC dimmer and wires. This is made to improve your table tennis skills and make your shots accurate with timings. And the main work of this robot is to make you perfect table tennis player and not let you feel bored. Let's see it is working or not. As you saw, this robot is a perfect player to play with. This was This was my greatest uploaded video up till now. See you all until the next uploaded video. And be smart, be safe until this crucial period. And be careful. Thank you for watching this. Bye.